Okay, let's start off yet another tuna salad sandwich. And in the bowl, I've got 4 5-ounce cans of tuna, albacore white if you want to get specific on brands. And I'm adding about a half a cup of mayo. And cracking a beer. Then, 1 diced shallot goes into the bowl. And you want to have 2 stalks of celery, diced. I put a pretty fine dice, about 1/4 of an inch. Anything less, you probably won't get any goddamn flavor. And then you want about 4 tablespoons of dill relish. Again, I just eyeballed it. And then you want to roughly do about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped up parsley. And about 1 tablespoon or 2 of lemon juice. And just to say fuck it and eyeball about 1 teaspoon of Dijon in there. Then you want to give this a good stir around. Adjusting for seasoning, I haven't added any salt and pepper yet, but I will. So, yeah, just stir this around, give it a good taste for seasoning, and I'll be happy to see you at the next step. Okie dokie. As you can see here, I got 3 pieces of sourdough, butter side down on the hot griddle, and I'm adding the meat mix in. And I didn't really measure it or anything, just make it as thick as you want, but I wouldn't go too thick because remember, this is a melt, so it does have to heat through. If you're just making a cold tuna salad sandwich, then do whatever the fuck you want. So now it's time to add some cheddar cheese. And I decided to go 2 slices because, well, it's cheese, motherfucker. It makes everything better. And then get ready to put the other piece of bread on here. And I decided to flip a little more irregularly. I decided to go 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Kind of like I'm doing a steak, if that makes any sense. And, again, this is the part where you can't leave the kitchen because you want to ensure that nice golden brown. The only thing you can do here is you can actually press down, unlike a burger. All right, and through the magic of cooking show editing, the sandwich is done. As you can see, nice little golden brown on there. Nothing much left to do, except cut this son of a bitch in the middle, or kind of in the middle, and do the old pull apart and realize you hadn't cut far enough. And boom, yet another tuna salad sandwich. Done.